Guys, come up on the camera. Hello, everyone. Guys, hello, everyone, and good morning. And guys, this is the day three session for our 55 days live and interactive session. In this, and as per the agenda for the today's session, today we are going to primarily deal or primarily discuss everything about the DevOps. In next 1 hour, I will take care of whatever the questions you may have in your previous sessions or whatever it is. I will take care of all the things related to DevOps in this next 1.5 hour. Okay. I'm sharing my screen. Okay. And we can see ourselves on the YouTube as well. Okay. And in this heading, you will able to see that this is day three, and we are going to discuss everything about the DevOps. And this is the future automation for every software development life cycle. Okay. In this, in this I would like to take all the question whatever is in your mind till now. Okay, in the next 1 hour this all will be finished. Okay, first question, very simple question: what exactly the DevOps means? I'm going to cover up this all things. What exactly the DevOps, what is the definition of DevOps, why this DevOps team has been founded, what is the reason why this team has been created. Okay, we will discuss. And who can become a DevOps engineer, what is the real-time problems into the software development lifecycle, and what are the problems as well as the solution has been created by the DevOps tool. Guys, see, the new team or any new thing come into the picture because there was some problem. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Sure.
Because of the problem,
Yes.
DevOps has bring up the some solutions. Okay, based on the solution, new tools has been came into the market. Simple. Okay,
Mhm.
we will discuss about the agile, waterfall, and DevOps cycle as well. Okay, waterfall was around 5 years or 7 years back we are using it. Agile 2 3 years back we are using, but now most of the companies are moving into the DevOps as well as still into the agile. Okay, so we'll discuss about that also. We will discuss what are the DevOps roles and responsibility, because if you are planning to become a DevOps engineer, you have to be aware about the roles and responsibility. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes, yeah.
Are you agree?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yeah.
Right?
Yes.
It should be very clear. From the day one itself, it should be very clear. Okay. What are the tasks of DevOps engineer? What is the pipelines or how the DevOps engineer works? Means how this all things works. It works with the help of pipeline. We will discuss, and we will discuss the very major factors of DevOps. Means what are the 6 C's of DevOps? I'm 100% sure you are aware about CI, CT, CI or CD. Okay, but so many people are not aware about CT, CDD, CM, CB. So we are going to discuss this all things also in our today's session, and then I will take the Q&A as well. Okay, means primarily my intention for next 1 hour is whatever the tools are available. Means I would like to take you in the short or very quickly. These are the tools available. We can't learn all these things, so we have to simplify the things, right? Yes or no? Are you agree? Guys, are you
Yes.
agree? We have to simplify the things. And this all tools, which one is the best tool? At the end of this session, you will be very clarified that which tool is for what requirement. Make sense?
Mhm. Yes,
Yes,
yeah.
no?
Yes.
Cool. Thank
Yes.
you. Thank you. Thanks. Okay. Now, because if this is a day three, where is the day one or day two? Okay. Yes, I would like to say, because if someone will ask this question, before that only let me give this answer. Okay. So if you are coming or watching this video on the YouTube, you can scan this barcode. So guys, scan this barcode. Whoever not in this community, please be a part of this community, so that what will happen? At least you will get the updates, at least whatever the links we are providing, because yesterday we have provided all these links, because one of the student has asked, because can you provide all the links to me? I told yes buddy, I will provide it to you. Okay, so I have provided this all links. Okay, where it is in this batch 39 community. Yesterday I have provided this many links. Okay, day one recording, here it is. Day one PPT, here it is. Day two recording, here it is. Day two PPT, here it is. Okay, and what you can do it, you can join this community and ping to any of the admin, because this message is already published. So this message may not be available for you, but you can ping to any of the admin, or if you're watching this on the YouTube, you can see the group description, you will get this link. I'm giving this link into the Zoom chat app box as well. So you can be a part of this and ping to any of the admin, he will share this message to you again. Okay, because in this first message everything, and I will provide you the day three recording and PPT also in this community as well. Okay, Cool. Now I'm coming back here.
Because
Uh, let's learn. Yeah, first let's learn. Let's learn. Okay. Cool. I'm coming back. I'm coming back. Okay. Yes. If I will ask, or if anyone will ask, what exactly the DevOps is, what do you know? Can you please give me the answer? Can you please give me the answer? I need a very smart answer. I need a very smart answer. Go ahead. What
DevOps
Because
is
is the
DevOps?
DevOps is the
DevOps,
methodology where solutions will be provided for the team, dev team and the operations team, which they are facing in SDLC process.
Okay. Okay. Makes sense. Yes. Guys, someone else, please.
Development team and operation team both combined a combination. They work together and resolve it. That is DevOps.
Thoda sa betterment. I need a little bit betterment in your answer. Guys, are you
Collab-
agree? Yes or no? Go ahead. Go
yeah,
ahead again. What is DevOps?
collaboration.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead. Go ahead. Fast, fast. Firoz. Yes. Vinay, Jatin, Santosh. What is DevOps?
DevOps is a
DevOps.
solution. DevOps is a solution for the development and issues the
DevOps is a
problems.
solution for the development and operation problems.
Operation problem and
Okay.
solution. Yeah, yeah,
DevOps will provide the solution with the help of tools. Okay. With the help of DevOps, the software development lifecycle should run faster, right? Whatever the
yeah.
problems in development environment or operation environment, DevOps will create a streamlined solution for all the development and operation related problems.
Correct.
Guys, make sense? Yes, no? You have to
yeah,
speak up these three varieties of definition. Simple, because interview will get cracked with the help of definition. Agree? कितनी भी अच्छी अंडरस्टैंडिंग होगी, if you have a very good understanding but you may not able to crack the interview if you will not give the good definition. First question will be always simple. Based on your first answer, second question will be get created. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
yes, yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
Mm-hmm.
Right? If you will not speak up the first answer properly, the second question will be anything. Okay. So, yes, redirect the interviewer that you know the DevOps. Okay. Cool. Thank you. Okay. Now, from where this keyword has been created, it's this keyword has been created with the dev and ops. If you will go to any of the company, there may be chances you may get 60% of development work, or there may be chance 90% of operation work. Only 10% of development work may come. That's why this is increasing or decreasing. We have created, that's why. Okay. So it's not fixed at 50% work. No, never ever. Based on project, based on team, based on company, based on client, it can be decided. Clear? Is that okay?
Yep.
Cool. Now, if you will learn the DevOps, or if you will see this infinity loop, it will look like this. What we have to learn, how much we have to learn, we don't know. Agree? Yes or
Mm-hmm.
no? Because if you start your learning, let's assume any of the tool, any of the tool. Okay, let's take an example. Docker. It may take 1 month also, and you will not able to complete. Okay, Kubernetes. It may take 2 3 months, and you may not able to complete. If you will complete also, 5 new features will come in the next 3 months or next 6 months. Are you agree? Yes or no? So you
Sure.
can't complete any of the tool. Okay, and you don't have to be a 1,000 time percentage, what we can say, 100% into the any of the tool. No, you have to learn the complete process and everything. Okay, so don't feel that I will become an expert into any of the tool. No, you can be the expert, okay, based on the project. Make sense? Yes or no?
Yep.
Yes.
Are you agree, everyone?
Sure. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Cool. Good.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. Okay. Now, what I'm doing it, I'm simplifying. If you will try to learn all this thing by own, it will be full mashup. Okay. Because you don't know which tool we have to learn, how much we have to learn. Okay. So I'm here to simplify the things. I simplify planning has been happen with these tools. Coding will happen with this tool. Building, testing, containerization, cloud platform, release, deploy, operate, and monitor. This is the just simplified, because here you are not able to understand anything, but here at least you are able to understand that things has been distributed into the category. Make sense? Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
Correct.
Yes,
But
yeah.
out of that, all categories, do you feel that any DevOps engineer will work in all the categories? Answer can be yes, answer can be no. Okay, both the places answer is suitable, but there may be chances your focus will be on some particular area. Correct? Yes or no?
Yep.
Because I see that some companies like big MNCs, cloud team is different. Okay, there may be chances testing team, so obviously it will be different. Okay, and there may be chances monitoring team L1, L2, okay, are separate out. Okay, there is a deployment tool BRM team, build and release management team. Okay, so they are separate. BR and build release management team, there is a separate team. There may be chances separate Jenkins teams also is possible. Okay, there may be chances separate Docker or Kubernetes team may be possible in the big organization. But if you are into the mid organization, there may be chances this all tool may come in your life. Are you agree? Yes or no? Anyone here who is not agree, please unmute and talk with me. Everyone is agree? Just type agree into the chat box.
Yes,
Right.
sir, I agree.
So we have to. What you are telling, Rupesh? Agree or not agree?
Agree, sir.
हाँ ठीक है ना, फिर ठीक है. क्योंकि बड़ी टीम का we don't know about the big team, right? Or big company. There may be chances client is telling, no, you don't have to manage the cloud. You have to manage the open source tool. Okay. So we have to be prepared accordingly. So I created my course accordingly only. Okay. And in this is the syllabus which we are going to follow. Okay. And everyone has this link. If not, you can see the group description or already I shared into the WhatsApp group as well. Okay. Cool. And now I hope everyone is into the community as well. Okay, cool. Now, what I'm doing it, things are very simple. Be a part of the community. Okay, join the session, talk with me. Okay, and come into the Lux batch. Okay, now let's come up into the actual agenda of DevOps. Okay, when developers, testers, and IT operation team. Till now, I can say that we know that there is a development team, there is a QA team, or there is a operation team. Okay, maybe you are till now either a developer, either a QA engineer, or either a IT support engineer till now. Okay, but when they work together for any of the software development life cycle and keep the development processing, because see, developer is a separate team. There may be chances he's sitting into the different floor. There is a chances he's sitting into the different ODC, different room, right? And what they are doing, we don't know. Are you agree? Yes or
Yes,
no?
yeah. Yep.
Right? Some developers sitting into the US location and operation team is sitting into the India location. There may be chances, so they don't know what the thing is happening. So this is also a problem. Okay, to keep the things into the sync, that is the work of DevOps. मतलब we are the middle person. हमें सबसे बात करनी होगी. We have to talk. We are the collaborators. We have to talk with everyone. भाई क्या हो रहा है? क्या करा कि नहीं करा? Have you completed this? What is the update? What is the thing? We have to talk with everyone. This is the work of DevOps. Part one, simple work. Okay, collaboration. First point, collaboration. Yes, this is the work of DevOps. Okay. Cool. We know there are so many teams are available. When the analytics happen, designing happen, development happen, implementation happen, testing happen, release happen, maintenance happen. There are so many teams are available into the software development lifecycle. If any issue happen, if any issue happen particular to any of the team, if any miscommunication happen, developer or tester fight each other. Okay, developer operation fight with each other. होता है भाई, बहुत कॉमन है. Okay, लड़ पड़े, कोई रीजन नहीं है. Why you found my bug? This is correct, this is wrong, this is a feature. It can be anything. Okay, it is working in my laptop, it is not working in your laptop. They fight with each other. Okay, if they fight with each other, who will affect? Client will affect. We don't want to affect the client. Are you agree? Right? Full software development process should not get affect. भाई डेवलपर काम नहीं कर रहा तो ऐसा थोड़ी ना कि टीम बंद हो जाएगी, राइट? टीम विल नॉट गेट क्लोज. आर यू एग्री? यस और नो?
Yes.
Yes,
Right?
yeah.
Nothing will be, there is should not be a business loss. Okay, so we created a new team. We created a new team. If any issue happen, any problem happen, jump into that and give some tool. Simple, give some tool. If they are telling we can't do the manual work, give some. Okay, and that's why this many tools has been developed or came into the picture. Right? चलो सिंपल सी बात करते हैं. गूगल ड्राइव, भाई ये डेवऑप्स टूल है क्या? See, if required to store a data, we can give simple tool also. This is Google Drive, store a data. Agree? Yes or no? Definitely we will use the cloud S3, but Solution can be simple, also possible. Okay. Let us assume developer are managing nowadays, not is not managing, but some developers are managing the code into the notepad plus plus. Right? That is not a good way. Okay. So yes, we provided the tool like Git so that code will be managed properly. Okay. You created a build. Guys, can you tell me where you are keeping your builds? Developers, any developer here, tell me where you are keeping your builds till now, right now.
Lab.
We are 50
Git.
people. राहुल पगारे बोल रहा है बिल्ड हम गिटहब पर रखते हैं. वेरी बैड आंसर, वेरी वेरी बैड आंसर. एनीवन एल्स? भाई गिटहब पे बिल्ड नहीं रखते, गिटहब पे कोड रखते हैं. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट बिल्ड. मतलब बिल्ड क्या होता है? कोड को रन करने, कंपाइल करने के बाद जो आर्टिफैक्ट बनता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड बिल्ड. Where you are keeping the build? You are 50 people. Tell me the answer.
In web
लोकल पे
server,
सर,
it will be
कहाँ पे रखते हो?
लोकल पे,
नहीं समझ में आ रहा. रवि मैसेज में लिखो.
लोकल सिस्टम।
लोकल में रखोगे और यूएस में बैठा वाला क्या तुम्हारे घर आके लेगा?
सर
लोकल में
हमारी
नहीं
टीम तो
रखते
यहीं
भाई
पे
बिल्ड.
है, सर हमारी टीम तो यहीं पे है, इसलिए हम लोकल में रखते हैं।
नहीं
Docker
भाई ये
container.
सही है. This is not a good answers, okay? And don't give these answers into the interview. Simple, okay? Don't give this answer into the interview. Otherwise, HR will say, we will never get back to you. Okay? Please don't this mistake. Okay? Again, someone is giving the GitHub answer. Okay? Again, someone has given the Maven answer. These all are the wrong answers, guys. Okay? Still, I haven't get any correct answer from any one of you. And no one is a developer here in this group,
Yeah.
in this 50 people.
Docker container.
Firoz, you are a developer. Where you are keeping your builds?
No, sir, I am not developer.
अच्छा, you are not a developer. Okay. Anyone? चलो भाई, किसी को नहीं पता. Okay, means you all came for the learning purpose. Simple. Agree? Guys, we have some
Yes.
artifact location like JFrog, Nexus, okay, container registry. We will keep our artifacts into that location. I will teach you. No need to worry. Okay, no need to worry. Cool. Okay, so there are so many tools. There are some problems are there. Correct? So we are bringing the tools for their solutions. It makes sense? Guys, it makes sense? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? There are problems. So we are the DevOps engineer. We will bring the solution for them. Okay. Problem can be anything. Okay. Cool. Now, so we are providing the solution for every software development lifecycle. That's why the DevOps team is getting created in every company. Right now, the ratio is 94% companies have adopted the DevOps because with the help of DevOps, there are so many benefits are happening. Okay, cool. I will talk about the benefits. Okay, I can say in simply, DevOps engineer will involve into the development activity. Okay, because the dev keyword is written in our DevOps. Okay, so yes, we involve into the development activity. We involve into the testing activity as well. Someone will say, Vikas, is the DevOps engineer do the testing also? No, bhai, we will not do the direct testing, but what we can do it, we can make the automation on the testing. Let's take an example. Let's take an example. This is my website. Okay, anyone tester here? Anyone tester? Any one of you?
Means I'm tester.
Ravi, good. Ravi, I'm giving one requirement to you. This is my website, www.clouddevopshub.com. Okay. And you have to do the testing, manual testing of this website. How you will do? Go ahead. Give me the smart answer.
Just I will launch
कैसे
the
करोगे?
URL. I will launch the
You have to
URL.
launch the URL. Yes. Yes. URL is working. Yes.
Yes, and I will check if any buttons are there, and I will check it if it is clickable or not.
Yes.
And
Buttons. This
redirect.
is one button. This is one button. This is one button. This is one button. You click on this button. So yes, homepage is coming. Okay. Right.
Yes,
What else? What
and I
else?
will check the navigations of different buttons,
Correct. You
redirection.
will check the navigation. This is one button. You will click on this button. This is also working. Okay. You will click on this button. You will click on this button. You will
Yes,
click on this button and you will do the navigation that everything is working or not. Correct.
yes,
This is how,
correct.
guys, this is how the manual testing works. They will create some test cases. Why you have to do this. Agree?
Yes, yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this is how the testing happen. Manual testing happen. Ravi, if I will tell you, you have to do 5 type testing of this website, you will do yes or no?
Yes,
This is your work, right?
yes,
If I will
yes.
tell you, you have to do 500 times in a one day, this testing, और चलो 100 times in a day you will do.
No, sir, difficult.
भाई क्यों नहीं करेगा, मैं फायर कर दूंगा नहीं तो करना तो पड़ेगा. Right, you have to do. Agree?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now you have to come up with some smart solution. I will do with the automation. Correct?
Correct.
Now tell
Mhm.
me, if you are a tester, tell me what is your automation solution?
Either I will use Cypress or
Selenium.
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 Uh, Selenium. Okay. You will use
Yes.
some tool and he will do the testing. In place of you, Selenium will do the testing. Guys, it makes
Correct.
sense? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
Right? Selenium will do the testing. Okay, good. This is a good answer. Okay. Now, if you know Selenium, well and good. Let us assume. Chalo, he will say that anyone knows how Selenium works. How Selenium works.
Selenium,
Bolo, bolo.
it's just basically it's a script type coding, like it's execute line by line while
Correct.
we
You will
refer.
record the things, you will record the things, or you will create a script, and this script will be ready. You can execute this script and he will do the testing. Correct?
Correct. Correct.
Okay, this is called automation testing. Now the question is, if you will run it, it will get executed. If you want to execute 100 times, you have to configure it, right? You have to schedule it. यहाँ पर रवि 100 times नहीं execute करेगा. We can bring one more tool who will execute 100 times. Make sense?
Sure.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
What is that tool? वो tool कौन सा होगा? Who can execute? Who can schedule?
Jenkins.
Perfect answer. Yes, Jenkins. Okay.
Yes.
The Jenkins will come to the picture. Okay. And in the Jenkins, we will schedule the Selenium script. Then 100 times testing will happen. So you understood that two tools came into the picture, Selenium and Jenkins.
Jenkins.
Problem kya thi? Ravi was not able to execute 100 times. Correct? So there is a problem. And as Ravi is very smart, he bring the solution also. Yes, no.
Yes.
Guys, everyone
Yes.
getting my point? So
Yes.
अब DevOps engineer कहते हैं, DevOps engineer also do the same thing. Whatever is the problem, he will try to understand the problem. He will bring some solution to make the problem solved. That is the work of DevOps engineer. I took an example of the testing. Okay. Developer was maintaining a code into the mm, notepad. Okay. This is a problem. Collaboration is not happening because Milan is a developer, Rupesh is a developer. Assume. Okay. Rupesh is writing the code in his laptop. Milan is writing the code into his laptop. Okay. And the problem is for 5 days, Milan went for a holidays. Okay. So Rupesh will not wait for Milan. Are you agree?
Yes.
Right? At the end of the day, whatever you are writing, wherever you are writing, you have to push into the centralized location. That type of thing has to be involved into the development activity. Operation. Chalo, anyone from support engineer? Anyone from IT operation here in this group?
Yes,
Yes.
I'm.
Yes,
Rupesh,
sir.
Rupesh, you are here. Okay. Rupesh, see,
Okay.
this website is up and running. Assume that something is not running into this website. Okay. Assume that the home page is
Okay.
loading slow. How you will troubleshoot? ये जो home page है,
So
it
first,
is loading slow. How you will troubleshoot?
so first I would like to check logs, like if there is any failures or not, and then I will also check the application processes. So it depends on like Tomcat, then Nginx, whether it is working properly or not. So
Okay.
that is
Thumb rule,
my
guys.
first troubleshoot.
Thumb rule. Thumb rule. If any problem happen, check the logs. Okay. Operation people
Yeah,
check the logs. Point number one. Okay. But my requirement is this is
correct.
a website. This is a web page. How you will check the slowness or where is the slowness? Failures.
Net
So
open.
anyone, Arbi, anyone, help out, help him.
Check
Can we ping the
one thing
website?
is CPU and RAM switch. Other thing is check network is
Network bandwidth.
fine and all.
Connectivity.
This is an latency from the
Arbi,
network side.
headphone change karo. Arbi, your headphone is not good. Anyone else? Anyone else?
From internet,
Can
can
Sir,
we ping the
network
website?
connectivity bandwidth.
We can check the bandwidth. Okay. We can go
CPU
here.
and
We
RAM
can
usage
open. We can do
utilization.
it. What we can let me. You can open the more tool. You can open the developer tool. Okay. And you can click on network and refresh the page. Okay. You will refresh the page. You will get to know, okay, so many pages are getting loaded. And at this point, the status code is 200 means everything is working properly. Okay. So
Correct.
wherever the status code comes 300 or something, I will teach you. I will teach you. No need to worry. Okay. I will teach you. Whenever the status code is different, you will get to know that, okay, here is the problem. You have to solve that. Correct. You, as a DevOps engineer, you will not solve it. Support engineer, you will not solve it. You will give it to the developers. Correct. Correct. Agree? Yes, no?
Sure. Yes, I am.
Right. This is our path.
Agree, sir.
Rupesh, you are a support engineer. Day, night, full day, you are doing this work? No, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, yes,
Because
yes.
our
Yes, boy,
hours.
no. नहीं रात दिन बैठ के
Actually,
नहीं
sir,
करना
we
है
have
ठीक
right game mechanic. So only 9 hours from my side I support.
You are not a smart answer. Okay. You will bring some tool who will do
Okay.
this all things. Okay. You don't have to do sit for nine
Okay.
hours. You don't have to sit for a night. Okay. You can bring some tool. We are the DevOps, smart DevOps engineers. We will give a tool to you, your support team, L1 team, L2 team, so that your problem will get solved. Guys, it makes sense? Yes or no?
Yeah, yes, I am.
Right?
Okay.
Whenever the problem will happen, alert will come to you. This alert setup, this notification setup will be done by DevOps engineer, and we will set up that part. It makes sense? Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
So what I would like to pass the information to you, if any problem happen into, if any issue happen into the development, any issue into the QA or any manual work they are doing it, we will make it automated with the help of tool. Is that clear? That is the work of DevOps engineer. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, I am.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Anyone can become DevOps engineer. Okay. Why I'm telling this? Because if you are a developer, if you are in any of the process, okay, let's assume you are a tester. Okay. Basics of testing, you know. Okay. You know how the developers works. Okay. How the build has been created. The basics of development you already know. You don't know how to write a code, but you know the process. So you are already into development. Learn the operation part and become a DevOps engineer. Make sense? Yes or no?
Yes, I
If
am.
you are already a developer, you know how to manage the build, how to create a build, how to compile the code, learn the operation activity, you can become a DevOps engineer. If you are already a operation engineer, support engineer, learn the development activity and become a DevOps engineer. Okay. And one more important point, okay, if you are an admin, if you are any admin, we are also a admin because we are managing lot of tools. We are not only a single tool admin, we are a multiple tools admin. Correct. So if you are know the admin, how to install, how to configure the things, you can configure some more tools also like Git, Jenkins, Docker. Up now the question came because here Jenkins came into the picture, right? Who will install the Jenkins? DevOps engineer will install, right? Who will maintain the Jenkins server? DevOps engineer will maintain. So DevOps is a administrator as well. If you know how the administration work, well and great. It's very easy for you to become a DevOps engineer for high package job role. You will not do the work, your tool will do the work. Make sense?
Yeah.
Agree? Okay.
Sure, sir, sure.
So anyone can become a DevOps engineer in short. Okay. Cool. Now, this is a development. These are developers. Okay. Developer write the code, build, create, compile it, and build it. As soon as he build, one artifact will be created. Correct? Yes or
Sure.
no?
Yes.
Yes, I
He
am.
will test. He will test in his local machine or in the dev environment. If it's worked, he will say that my build is working. My build is working. He will give this build to the QA
QA.
people. Right? Are you agree?
Yes, I am.
Right? Sometimes developers or QA people sit very nearby. They are already a friend. Already a friend. Okay, they know each other. They are already a friend. If he given a build, okay, if it's not working, QA people will say, hey buddy, it is not working in my system, can you fix it? Developer says that, okay, this is the problem, fix this, fix this, fix this, fix this, because they are friends, they know each other, they are sitting together, they are working every day together. So he fixed it. Now QA people is telling, yes, it is working in my environment. Okay, QA people is happy, yes, it is working. Make sense? He
Correct.
do testing, everything looks pass. Okay. Then if the QA works, then what will happen? It will go to the production environment. Correct? UAT environment or production environment. Now, developer and operation people are not friends. Okay. QA environment, any problem happen, version problem, any problem happen, developer was there nearby, he fixed it. Right? Yes or no? If let assume you install any tool or any Java application, it is not working, I will help you out right away because I am directly with you. Correct? Yes or no? Those people who are watching on the YouTube, he may face the problem, he will reach out to me, it will take time, I may help, I may not able to respond, something may happen. Correct? Yes or no? Or yes, no?
Yep, yep, yes,
Right?
yep, yeah, yeah.
हमारे in
Yes.
250
Yes.
people who are sitting here, अगर if your laptop or creating any problem in installation, I am your developer, I will help you out immediately. Yes or no? It happens, right? But this operation people, or let us assume YouTube, who is watching on the YouTube, there may be chances he may not able to connect with me directly. So I will give a build. Okay, this is a build. Run it over the weekend. He will wait for weekend. Okay, where developer is on leave, where people on leave, everyone on the leave. Okay, everyone on the leave. He developer has given some steps, execute this step, execute this, execute. Okay, and there may be chances some step execution, some problem happen. Okay, or by any reason it the build is breaked, नहीं चला, Saturday रात को 2 बजे is not working. Now what will happen?
All team
Project
will be
manager
affected.
and everyone calls, fights. Yeah, why it is not problem? Operation people are telling this is a developer problem. Developer is telling I tested in QA environment, I tested in this environment, everywhere it is working, and they fight with each other and they will not talk continuously. Agree? So
Yes,
this type
Agree,
of
sir.
problem happens. Is this happen in your company also,
correct.
guys? Yes or
Yes,
no?
yeah.
रोज होता है
Correct,
हाँ,
सर,
so
sir.
Rahul,
रोज होता है सर.
रोज होता है. So this is one of the problem, and we DevOps engineer is solving this problem. Okay, what we will do it? What we will do it? Okay, please tell me. चलो simple. रोज होता है. So what was the reason? Can you tell me anyone what was the reason for this? Reason क्या होगा उसका? कुछ तो reason होगा.
Miscommunication.
Communication. Yes,
No proper
communication one of
cooperation.
the reason. Proper cooperation. पहली बात तो वो दोस्त ही नहीं है तो वो एक दूसरे की हेल्प ही नहीं करेंगे. Okay, developer will say Saturday why should I
Not
work?
collaboration.
Operation people say हाँ.
Collaboration, not collaboration.
कोलेब्रेशन, कम्युनिकेशन गैप. ओके, टेक्निकल आंसर दो ना यार भाई, ये तो थ्योरी आंसर हो गया, टेक्निकल आंसर.
Lack of knowledge.
हाँ, ऑपरेशन पीपल डोंट हैव द नॉलेज. ओके, दैट मच नॉलेज. ओके, एक्सेप्टेबल पॉइंट. यस, व्हाट एल्स?
Configuration
व्हाट
issue.
एल्स, व्हाट एल्स? नहीं, नहीं समझ में आया. एनीवन एल्स बेटर आंसर?
Configuration issue.
कॉन्फ़िगरेशन इशू. ओके, ओके, व्हाट एल्स?
Sir, I would
नहीं है.
like to introduce one point, like a silly mistake also, it can create a issue.
करेक्ट, सिली मिस्टेक. ओके, सिली मिस्टेक. यहाँ पे
Yeah,
कुछ कमांड इज लिटिल बिट मिसिंग. ओके, और
yeah,
समथिंग
yeah,
एक्स्ट्रा
correct.
इनटू द कमांड. Right? And because of the
Because
silly mistake, Array, silly mistakes come in my WhatsApp group also. Okay, so many times. Okay, and the issue got resolved in couple of seconds also. Okay, because see, sometimes we may not able to understand the some keyword, right? Docker spelling mistake, Terraform is anything, right? Silly mistake is also, I agree. Okay, but you know that some people are already doing the practicals. Day two practical also some people has did it. Okay, see the problem happened. Someone has asked the question. Okay, I will show you. Uh, See, Iman has asked the question that he created the Nginx server, it is not working. Okay, I checked, I told 240, 241 within 4 minutes. I told that service, check the service is running HTTP, HTTPS. Okay, Ravi Raj came into the picture, he given a very good answer. Okay, and the issue has been solved in 3 minutes. Right? Yes or no? Means
Yeah.
Iman issue has been solved. Now it is working. It was a HTTP, HTTPS issue. Right? So this is the power of group. Right? This is the power of team. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes,
Because there may be chances Raviraj has this problem. Raviraj has already understand this problem, right? So he helped and he understood the answer and given. See, if developer will come on the Sunday, the problem will get solved. But developer, why should he come on the Sunday, right? Agree, right?
Mhm.
He will not come. Okay, so that's why the problem also happen. Okay, so I would like to say that guys, if any problem happen, any small mistake, post in a group. Okay, it will be helpful for you. Make sense? Right? Cool.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm coming here into this point. So many problems happen. So as a DevOps, see these problems happen as a DevOps engineer. Let me tell you one problem, very common problem. Java based application. Okay, assume that this is Java based application. Okay, in this Java based application, developer has 17 version, QA earlier has 14 version. Developer told that 14 version will not work, make it 17 version. He made it 17 version, Java 17, and it worked. Okay, but operation team is still running on 14th version. Okay, they have not upgraded the version, and that's why the issue happened. Simple answer, yes or no? Because Java is a very platform, or same version should be there. Okay, if the version is different, it will not work. One of the common reason. Now, yeah, see, we can't say that operation you have updated the version. He told yes, we have updated last week, but it was not updated. Okay, this was missed or something happened. Whatever is the reason, problem happened. Now, as a DevOps engineer, what we did, okay, instead of giving the build, what we will give it? We will give Java, JDK, same version, binary, library, whatever is required. We'll pack everything into single image. Okay, with application, binaries, and dependencies. Now it doesn't matter. We told that it will work in every environment because it's packed, everything has been packed into the image. Got my point? सब कुछ
Yes,
एक
sir.
साथ combine कर दिया and we will give it to them. Okay, then who will create this content image? It has to be
Docker.
created by the DevOps engineer. अरे
Developer.
हाँ, DevOps or Docker. Okay, obviously Docker is the correct answer. But Docker
Yes.
will be run by the DevOps engineer. Okay, yes, Docker will come into the picture and Docker will do this activity. Okay, so the fighting has been solved. Dependency problem has been solved. All the dependency problem has been solved. Make sense? So
Yes,
what I
sir.
would
Yeah.
like to say that here I'm saying the importance of DevOps engineer who will create these solutions, importance of tools, important of tools. Make sense? Getting my point? Okay. So a lot of
Yes,
problems
sir.
will be solved when the application will be containerized or everything has been packed into the single box image, then this type of problems will happen. Chalo, I will give the real example. You purchase this mobile phone from the Flipkart. Okay. Assume. Okay. And Flipkart is sending this phone into parts. This is a speaker, this is mic, this is a screen, this is motherboard, this is battery. Assemble by own. So many people will complain that your phone is not working. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Assembling
Yeah.
is a problem.
Yes.
Assembling is a problem. When we are doing the deployment of 6 hours, 7 hours, 10 hours, we are assembling everything, or assembling is a problem. They packed everything, or now if it is working in their thing, we packed everything and we give it to the customer. Then customer will say, yes, it is up and running. Agree? This type of work in our SDLC environment will be done by DevOps, or will be done by Docker and DevOps. Make sense?
Yeah.
राइट अगर असेंबल ओपन मिलेगा तो एवरीवन विल क्रिएट ए प्रॉब्लम. सर माइक कहाँ लगाऊं, कीबोर्ड कहाँ लगाऊं, स्क्रीन कहाँ लगाऊं, स्क्रीन का वायर गलत लगा दिया, he will say it is not working, right? So this type of problems happen, or this are the real time problems happen in our SDLC or deployment as well. So these problems is solved by the tools. Now let's talk about little bit about developers development. How many people are development people here? Developers, go ahead, give me the answer. Who are the developers? Anyone? Developer? No one. Anand, Arbi, Sanjay, anyone? Toshif, unmute and talk with me. You are a developer, correct? भाई बोलो, अरे अनम्यूट करके बोलो यार, प्लीज अनम्यूट करके बोलो. डेवलपर.
Yes, sir. I'm a developer.
Arbi is telling, Piyush is telling. Piyush, if you are a developer, what is your roles and responsibility? What you are doing as a developer? करते क्या हो?
Sir, basically, I have assigned a task. So, the first step is just getting a task from a manager. So, according to
You
the
will get a requirement
functionality, we
from the
have,
manager.
yeah. So, according to the functionality, me and my lead, we will plan how we are going to execute it. So,
You will get a
basically, we have,
requirement. You will get a requirement come into the Jira ticket. Okay, you will
yeah,
understand the
yeah,
requirement. Okay, and you will distribute again the requirement into small parts and deliver to the
yeah.
pure developers. They will write the features, so they will write a code. Correct?
Yeah.
This is what you want to say? Yes. This
Yes,
is
yes.
the one of the development activity. First, planning will happen, coding will happen. If the code will be combined, let's assume three developers are writing something, so they will combine and create a build. If everything works good, they will hand over to the testing team. You have a always concentration on the new feature. Are you agree?
Yes,
You are
yes, sir.
very product oriented. Your product or application should work or has been developed, right? Yes or no? You will not worried about the
Yes.
maintenance and all these things. You will be worried about the innovations that every time some new thing should come into the picture, right? That is the work of developers. Are you agree? Yes, no? Right?
Yes,
On
yes.
the other side, operation people, उनको नया feature चाहिए ही नहीं. We don't need a new feature because every new feature will create a problem. Agree? Yes or no?
Mm-hmm. Yes, yeah.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
So they are telling that, but we don't need a new feature. But yeah, they are because they want a stability of the application. Whatever the application is there, it should be run properly. Are you agree? Yes or no? They need a stable version of the application. Okay. They are very service oriented. Whatever is should be run, they will be always available with the client. If any issue happen, first thing it will be get notified by the L1, L2, L3 team only. Okay. It will come to the development when there is a actual problem. If any infra application problems are there, it will be taken care by the operation team itself. So what I would like to say that they will be involved into the release, deployments, operate and monitoring activities as well. This is the primary work of operation. Do you feel that developer will do the operation work or operation people will do the development work? No, guys, no, they will not do.
No.
They have their own separate works, correct? They have their own separate rules. They have their own separate technology, terminology, or separate, I can say that, separate skills, right? Yes or no?
Yep.
That's why the DevOps again required to work in both the environment. Okay. Cool. I'm just bringing DevOps into the picture. Okay. DevOps is a solution for all the development and operation related issues. Is this clear, everyone?
Yep.
Right? DevOps team will help into the communication, collaboration, and integration. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
DevOps aim is to shorter the software development lifecycle with continuous delivery and high quality. Is this clear definition?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
DevOps is a streamlined solution for all the IT activities involved in development and operation. These are the four definitions. You have to be very clear when the DevOps question came. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Make sense? Yes, no, yes, no.
Yes,
Everyone,
yeah.
everyone,
Yes.
everyone, everyone. Okay. I will give you this PPT.
Yes,
If you
yes.
want to take the notes, well and good. Otherwise, I will give this PPT to you. Okay. Cool. Now let's discuss about the real problems. Okay. Chalo, I will take some example. Okay. Mm-mm. I will open my pen. Guys, I need chalo, let's take an example. This is a clock. Mm-mm. One second. Mm-mm. One second. I'm just taking one screenshot. Okay. nahi aa raha wo. I will take it. Okay. Okay. I took this screenshot. Okay. I took the screenshot of clock. Okay. ये clock है जो अभी current clock. Okay. Let assume you get a requirement from the client that you have to create this clock. Okay. You get a requirement from the client that you have to create this clock. Now, to create this clock, forget about this part. Okay. Forget about this thing. Okay. I'm talking about this 8:45 only. Okay. Now, this requirement came. How the developer will come into the picture? Can you please help me out? अब कैसे होगा? You get a requirement from the client that you have to create a clock. Now, how this thing will happen? Give me the answer first. Developers, business analysts will come into the picture and they will give the answer. Go ahead.
First of all, we check the requirement and do the code in front end, and if we need any kind of API from backend,
Okay, you are
so
thinking
we
about the
can
code. Okay, chalo. In which language you will write a code? Be straightforward.
React.
In which language? Language.
Yeah, it's a React.
React. Okay, he will write in a React because he is a React developer. I know, Bhupesh. Anyone else? Anyone else?
Java, sir.
Someone is selling Java. Okay. Anyone else? Anything else?
Python.
Python. Okay. See, Bhuvesh knows React, so he is giving into the React. Why? Someone told Java. Why you are telling Java? What is the reason? भाई जावा का क्या रीजन है क्यों जावा में लिखोगे यू विल राइट ऑल द व्हाट ऑल द लॉजिक्स if you will write all the logics it will be of 600 lines right yes or no
yes.
पहले मिनट घूमना चाहिए, फिर सेकंड घूमना चाहिए, फिर सेकंड को 60 बार घूमेगा तो मिनट की तरफ +1 करना पड़ेगा. इट शुड रोटेट इन 12 आवर्स, इट शुड रोटेट इन 24 आवर्स, 24 आवर बाद अगेन जीरो होगा, इट शुड कम अगेन टू स्टार्टिंग. You have to write all this logic, or maybe there is this answers. You have to write 200,000 lines of logics also for this small
Correct.
requirement. So Java is failed at this point. I will not allow you to write in Java. Okay. So Python came into the picture, and Python is a good answer. Arbi, why Python?
So less coding, more functionality, and less time to debugging and
Better answer. I need a better answer. Your answer is correct, but I need a better answer.
so there's some
Sir,
libraries, so you can import that library and you can write to
Correct.
its
There
code.
is
yeah.
ready-made libraries are there. There are
Mm.
ready-made libraries are there. Just import the library. Just import the library and use it in your application. With the help of this library, can you tell me how much lines of code will be required?
Uh, and 5 to 10 lines.
Perfect answer. Yes, 5 to 10 lines, and your application will be ready. So, guys, what is the better choice? What is the best choice? Java or Python?
Python.
Sir, but in
Python.
Java,
Okay, because
we
First
also
Python.
that APIs in Java as well.
see, we have some options also, but see, we don't want to write the logics because our logics may work or not work. We don't know. Correct? Yes or
Okay.
no? Right? So
Correct.
many problems may come into our logics, right? So we will go where ready-made libraries or modules are available. We will import and use it. Okay. Chalo. First thing is requirement is clear. Like, you gather the requirement. Okay. That the requirement is the simple requirement came. 1 second. Hmm? This is the clock requirement. Okay. The clock requirement is like this, and they have decided, your client has decided that you have to create a this type of square clock, okay, with black border, or it should be into the 12-hour format, no, 24-hour format. Okay. You have decided that. Okay. Now, how this requirement will be distributed into the development environment? Any business analyst, scrum master here, tell me how you will take this as a requirement. बोलो अब कैसे solve करोगे इसको? Go ahead, बोलो, what will do? You will go to the planning board, Jira board. Okay. You will create 3 tickets. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, no. 3 tickets
Yes,
means
sir.
first ticket you will create for our
Develop.
module, second module, and third is combined build and everything. Okay. Or there is a second thing is also the second. See, hour, minute, and second. So there are 3 tickets you will create it. Correct? Yes or no? So I need a
Yes.
three
Hmm.
developers, guys. Please, 3 developers come up into the picture. Tell me your names. अपने नाम बोलो. Anyone who want to become a developer, tell me 3 people.
Well,
Guys, नाम बोलो. Milan, how much experience you have?
8 years.
अच्छे से बोलो यार, कितना experience है?
8 years.
3 years. Okay. Guys, anyone else? Milan is the 3 years of
Nil-
experience. Anyone?
Nilesh, 5 years.
Nilesh. 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 10 years. मैं 10 years दे रहा हूँ. मुझे senior person चाहिए. Okay. I need one fresher also. Anyone?
Kushal.
Kaushal.
Kushal.
KUSHL. Kushal. 1 year experience. Okay. These are the 3 engineers are there. Nilesh, Milan, and Kaushal. Okay. So your three tickets has been created, and all the 3 tickets are assigned to the three different peoples. Kaushal write the code, Nilesh write the code, Milan write the code. Nilesh has a high experience, so Nilesh will complete this code in how many days or how many minutes?
2 hours.
Quickly, right? He can complete this into the 4 hours also. Are you
4 hours.
agree? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Right? Milan has a 3 years of experience, so he may take 1 or 2 days, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Agree? Right?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Kaushal is a fresher, so he may take 5 days time to complete this. Are you agree? Yes, no, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, no, guys. Okay. Because
Yes.
based on his experience, they will write the things. Okay. Makes sense. I agree. Now, what I will do, see, Nilesh has written this code in 4 hours. So, do you think that Nilesh will sit for 5 days to for the Kaushal? Do you think Nilesh has to wait for 5 days when the Kaushal will complete his work? I
No,
don't
sir.
think so.
No.
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 He don't have to. If we are waiting Nilesh, means we are not utilizing Nilesh properly. Are you agree? Yes or no? We are paying
Yes.
20 lakhs to Nilesh. Okay. And if he is waiting for the Kaushal who is getting 3 lakhs 3 LPA So what is the difference between Nilesh and Kaushal? There is no difference, right? Yes or no?
Yeah,
Mhm.
exactly.
Right? So what actually we have supposed to be happen? Nilesh has written his whatever the code. Okay, he written his code. Okay, and let assume Nilesh has keep his code in the local machine. Okay, and he written his code. And after 5 days, when everyone's code has been came, Nilesh went for 4 days leave. Then do you think that we have to wait again for 4 days for the Nilesh code? बोलो.
No.
नहीं भाई, नहीं वेट करेंगे, 10 दिन थोड़ी ना वेट करते
Yeah.
रहेंगे नीलेश का. करेक्ट.
Mhm.
He will say my
Hmm.
laptop crashed, my code has been vanished, right? So we will not wait again, right? So guys, these are the problem. See, Nilesh, we don't want to keep the Nilesh to be dependent on Kaushal. Okay, point number one. Second point, we don't want Nilesh to waste his resources. Okay, right? Third is, if Nilesh went on a leave, Kaushal or Milan should not wait for him. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
And another thing is like, if we will maintain the code in the local machine, this type of problem will happen. So the solution came as soon as Nilesh, you written the code, push the code into the some centralized location. Okay. Nilesh, 4 hour में काम किया, you have to push your code to the centralized location. Milan, your work is done, push your code to the centralized location. Okay. Kaushal, your work is done, push the code into the centralized location. This centralized location name is, क्या है इसका नाम?
GitHub.
GitHub.
The centralized location name is GitHub. Okay. Git is a tool to push the code from local machine to the centralized location. That is Git. Okay. With the help of Git, they will push the code, but code will be maintained on a GitHub location. Make sense? Yes or no?
Yes, yeah. Mhm.
Right? Chalo, I will give a real example. Okay. Um, Last week, no, see, yeah, this is my message. Monday, last Friday, we created an application and I given into the WhatsApp group. Correct? दिया था मैंने code,
Mhm.
right? But do you think that in the WhatsApp group the code will be available after 3 months?
No.
No, right? Because 100 messages came after that, it will be very difficult to find it. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Are you
yeah.
agree? Right? So it will be very
Yes.
difficult. So what I did, I created a GitHub repo. कहाँ गया GitHub repo? Okay. So I created a GitHub repo for you guys, and all the code, whatever I will supposed to be give it to you, I will give into this repo. Now the code is very straightforward available here. Make sense? Yes or no? Welcome to the first tool, that is GitHub, where the code is getting maintained. Make sense? Make sense? Yes, no? You understood?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Welcome to the
Yes, sir.
first tool where the code is getting maintained, code is getting tracked. Okay. Live example. VLC. You all aware about VLC player? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, yeah.
Yes.
VLC is a open source. Yes or no? VLC
Yeah.
open source means the code is available on the GitHub. Okay.
Mhm.
I'm just introducing GitHub to you right away. Okay. If I go into this place, VLC is a repo name where the VLC code is available. Okay. And here the code is available from 8 hours, 2 months, and on. Guys, can you let me know in which language this VLC code is written? In which language? Any idea?
C.
दिख रहा है.
C language.
C
C
language.
plus
Yes.
plus.
61% C language, 19% C language, C++, and yes, this is coming automatically. Okay. 604 contributors has written this code. Okay. And it is maintaining into the GitHub. Make sense? Yes or no? So our code, developer has to maintain the code into the GitHub location. Okay. I will teach you everything, but this is just an introduction that code has to be maintained into the GitHub location, not into the local machine. Make sense? Point number one. Clear?
Yes,
Everyone
sir.
good? Everyone good at this point?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Second point, I'm bringing the second problem. Okay. I'm bringing all the problems in front of you. Second problem, multiple times builds are getting created. 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 20, 30 builds has been created. Multiple times build is getting created. Is that possible? You can maintain in your local system or something like that? No, right? It will be very difficult. So we need a location where we will keep the builds, incremental builds in a order, version 1, version 2, version 3, version 4, version 5. Yes or no?
Yep.
Right? So we need a repository also where we can maintain the builds. Okay, point number one. Second point, okay, I'm coming back to the first point again. You develop the complete application, and you show this thing to the client. Okay, created this 845 block. Okay, client told it, no yaar, I don't need in this format, I need in 12-hour format. Okay, client changed the requirement. Hota hai guys aisa? He changed the requirement, yes or no?
Yes.
Right, then in the 12-hour format, what you will do it, 12 double column 00 double column, then AM PM feature will come, AM PM feature will come. Okay, so this again you will develop everything again, you will take 3-4 days time, you will write a code. Okay, this is version 1, you created the version 1 as a 24-hour format, 24 hours FORMAT. Okay, version 1 you show to the client, and client told, no yaar, I need in 12-hour format. Okay, no problem, you will again take 5 days. Okay, 5 days, and you created the V2, which is 12-hour format. Okay, yes or no, hota hai?
Yep.
Right, then you show it to the client, and client realize, no yaar, 12-hour format is not good, I want in a 24-hour format only. Right, so what you will do, you will again write the code for 5 days. Tell
No,
me.
we'll take the help
Yeah,
of
No,
backup.
GitHub.
No,
Centralized
sir.
GitHub.
Version one is present no in the GitHub.
Correct, if the version 1 is available into the GitHub, just a
Yes.
revert command, you will run the revert command, okay, in 1 minute, and you will go to the version 1 easily. Right, if you will maintain the versions, it will be easy for you. You get my point, yes or no?
Yes.
Sure.
Right, to go to the previous version, go to the previous code, it will be easy for you to revert it. This is again one of the benefit of the maintaining code into the GitHub. Okay, cool. And another GitHub, I will tell you again one more point related to GitHub. This is VLC player. Let's take an example. These are the different purposes are there. Okay, so Linux का example लेते हैं. LINUX Linux GitHub. Okay, Linux is also one of the open source tool. Okay, open source kernel. Okay, the code is available into the GitHub. Okay, now the question is, because is this open source? हाँ भाई, open source. That's why the code is available here. Correct? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Right? And we are going to start the Linux from tomorrow. Okay. So I would like to say that Linux is written in which language?
C language. 98.
98% in C language. Okay. 16,000 contributors has created the Linux code. Okay. And in this code, what all changes happen, whatever the things are happening. Okay. From 2005 onwards, this many changes happen every day in the Linux code. Okay. This is one of the person. Let's see. I'm just opening this. Okay. And as soon as I will come up here, what changes he did. Okay. Whatever the green line is coming, it is code has been added. Whatever the red line is coming, the code is deleted. It makes sense? Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
Who is maintaining? Who is this color coding? Who
Uh,
is maintaining this all information? The tool GitHub.
GitHub.
Agree? Right? I will teach you
yes, sir.
very deeply the GitHub for the 4-5 days, but at this point, I'm just giving a high level overview that one of the tool is available as a GitHub for the code management. Okay, so code management problem will be solved by the tool GitHub. Is that okay? Point number one, or first point, code management or incremental builds. Is that okay? Yes, no?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I'm coming into the third example. Manual testing. I already took an example. Ravi was Ravi is supposed to do my website testing 100 times in a day. Ravi told I can't do that 100 times, right? So we are bringing one solution that is called Selenium. Okay.
Selenium.
With the help of Selenium, we can able to automate the whatever he is supposed to do it. And after that, we will schedule it with the help of Jenkins, right? Yes or no? We can schedule with
Yeah.
the help of
Yeah.
Jenkins.
Mm-hmm.
Any other way into the Linux machine we can schedule any of the script? What is the way?
Cron jobs.
What is that?
Cron jobs or schedulers.
हाँ, cron jobs. ये थोड़ा अच्छे से बोलो, cron, CRON, cron
Yeah.
jobs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cron jobs. Yeah.
And Arvi, next time be confident. Okay. Okay. Yes. Cron job. We can schedule a cron job also possible. Okay. Yep. Okay. This is again third problem. Third solution came. Okay. Can I bring the fourth solution? Fourth problem. Can I bring the fourth problem?
Sure,
Guys,
sir.
ready?
Sure. Ready, sir.
Okay. Now let's take an example.
Consistency,
Okay.
adaptability.
Let's take an example. Let's take an example. Uh, Yeah, chalo. I will come up into the pant only. Okay. I will clean up everything. Okay. Now, these are different servers. Okay. These are different servers. Okay. And these are 4 servers at this point, and you have to install Python in all the 4 servers. Python, Python. How you will install, guys, Python in all the 4 machines? Tell me. कैसे करोगे
APT
Python install?
APT install
Manually?
Python.
First,
To be manually or using
manually.
Ansible.
First, you will SSH into the machine, right? Then apt update, right? And then apt install Python. Yes or no?
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. This is how you have to do it. Okay, and you can do in all the 4 machines. If I will tell you these are 400 machines, you will able to do it
Manually तो नहीं
manually.
होगा, बहुत टाइम लगेगा सर.
भाई manually हाँ लगेगा तो but तो Mazul, if let assume I given this work to Mazul, Mazul has did it in 350 machine or 50 machine he missed it. होता है, agree?
होता है सर.
होता है, और you have to do it every weekend. You have to do this activity every weekend. और चलो, instead of Python, I will take a patching activity. PATCHING, patching activity. Every 2 weeks you have to do it. Okay, for all the 350 machines, you have to just run the command apt update. Or if I will give it to some human being, he may miss some machines. Correct? Yes or no? He may not able to complete the work. Okay, or it may take 350 machines means at least 400 minutes he required, right? Or 400 minutes में तो नहीं कर पाएगा, right? We can bring one tool who can do this all activity. What is the tool name? Who can do this activity?
It's Ansible.
Very good, guys. If this is a requirement, you have to go to the machine and perform some automations. Then we have a tool called Ansible. Okay, Ansible will do this work for us. You are getting my point? Different requirements are there. That's why different tools are coming into the list. Make sense? Ansible is a configuration management tool, and this is a configuration that you have to install Python in all the 100 machine. You have to do the patching activity. That's why Ansible is required. Okay, cool. Guys, I'm giving the solutions also here. Okay, see here. Git, GitHub, Jenkins, Selenium, Ansible. Okay, with the help of Ansible, you can able to do this activity. Okay, now next question. You understood? Yes or no? Any question till now? Anyone? समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा?
Yes, sir.
Tell me one how much percentage you are able to digest? 90, 100? Because it's the theory part. 80, 70, 60, 50. I just want a number in the chat box. Nilesh is telling 90, Arpi 100. 90, 100, 70, 100, Yamini 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 90, 100, 90, 100. Okay, good. Okay. Whoever is in the 90 na or 70, okay, two numbers are coming 70 or 90. Okay, 100 to chhod do. 100 to well and good. Okay, 70, 90. Okay, we will talk at the end and clarify your doubt and make it 100%. Okay, is that okay? Fine. Cool. Thank you. Okay, now I took an example of Docker, right? Java version was different. So what Docker will do? He will pack binary, library, dependencies of configuration management, environment setup, whatever is required. He will do all the things and he will pack as a container. Is that okay? And which tool will do this activity?
Docker.
Docker, correct.
File.
And we can, if it's run in dev environment, 100% it will work into QA environment. Okay, 100% it will work into the prod environment. Make sense? So which is the tool who will pack all the binary dependencies, binary library, configurations, environment variable setup, or whatever the dependencies are required, he will pack everything with the help of tool Docker. Okay, so fighting problem is getting solved with the help of tool Docker. Dependency problem is getting solved with the help of Docker. Okay, so the another tool is coming to the market that is called Docker, so that all the dependencies problem will be solved. You understood the basics of this 4-5 tools? Basics, one line answer for these tools? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, every one of you, everyone.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
cool.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I'm just taking the very high level overview of DevOps. Now, because all this work will be done by DevOps engineer? Yes. Okay. DevOps will do all this work with the help of tools. Okay. DevOps engineer involved in coding, DevOps engineer involved in building, testing, packaging, releasing, configuration, and even monitoring also. Okay. We will be involved in all these things, and we will do all this activity with the help of, for every activity we have a tool. Okay. So we have to learn at least top 10 DevOps tools to be manage complete software development life cycle. We may use or not use, but we have to aware about top 10 DevOps tools. Agree? Make sense? Clear?
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Right? And I'm going to teach you the top 10 DevOps tools to make you work into any software development life cycle. Okay? Nice. Yeah. What is the benefit? Why this team is coming into the picture? First thing, first benefit, solutions are faster. Okay, things are becoming faster. Okay, we will improve the performance. Earlier everything was happening manually. Okay, the performance are getting increased, efficiency is high, things are happening continuously because tools never worried, tools never, what we can say, tools never tired. Okay, human being can take a leave, tools cannot take a leave. Okay, so improve, things are happening continuously. Okay, if there is less problem, the customer will be happy or client will be happy. Okay, if the testing is happening or everything is happening multiple times with the help of tool, failures rates are very less. Okay, and faster applications are getting developed. That's why DevOps is getting involved in 94% companies till now. You understood? Got it? Okay. Second point, what is the technical benefits of the DevOps? Okay, things are working continuously, very less complexity to manage, faster resolution of every problem. If any problem is coming, the things are getting faster. Okay, there are some cultural benefits also there. People are happy. Instead of fighting, people are happy. Getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
getting my point? Yes, no, yes, no, yes,
Yes,
no,
sir.
right? People are
Yes.
not fighting. People are not fighting. They are working. Okay. Higher employee engagement. They are talking with each other. They are doing the collaborations. Okay. They are doing the professional work and they are involving into the innovations instead of fighting. Okay. These are the some cultural benefit. There are some business benefits also there. Faster delivery. Applications are getting developed and move faster. Applications are stable because automated testings are there. It will improve the communication and collaboration between the teams, and the time and the things are happen on a particular or a right time because of the DevOps engineer. That's why DevOps is getting involved into the 94% of the companies at this point. Make sense? Clear, everyone?
Hmm.
Right? Any question till now? Any question till now?
Sir, can you tell me about the ROI? Just move back to the previous
It
slide.
will come back. It's okay. It's okay. Means the thing is like things are happening faster. Things are happening
Okay, okay,
faster. That's it. Okay.
okay, got it.
Good. Now, are you able to see this image? क्या दिख रहा है बोलो? Who will able
Waterfall,
to understand?
agile process,
अच्छे से बोलो,
Workflow.
थोड़ा better answer.
waterfall process, and the agile process.
Correct. अब
Waterfall
क्या
मतलब
समझ में
it's
आया? What you are able to
earlier
understand?
previously used.
Waterfall was previously 5 years back. We are using it. Correct. ठीक है. क्या होता था इसके अंदर बोलो?
The complete application has to
The
be built
developer
and then
write the
it has
code.
to
Developer
develop.
write the code, build and test
We will
and
give
develop.
6 months of time to the developer. Write the full code. Okay.
Yes.
Out of 6 months, 3 months to they are enjoying. 4 months they are enjoying. Last month they will write everything. Okay. Agree? Right, and we take the full requirement. Okay, we took the full requirement and we start developing the things, and the situation will be like this. Okay, so we observe that it is not possible like that. So what we came into the agile process. What is agile? In your company it is following agile. What is agile?
Piece of doing work every day.
Break the requirement into small part. See, watch can be created by one person also, right? which I taken the previous example, but I divided into three parts, right? Four parts. For small developers will work, so that collaboration will work. If anyone not able to do it, he will able to do it. Testing, building, everything will happen. Correct. So what we are doing it in the agile, we will break the complete project into small part, okay, and then we will start working into that part, that is called agile, so that we will able to see that yes, one thing is completed, two is completed, third is completed, fourth is completed, right? So that things will get achieved in the duration, or if we have to increase the speed, things will be get increased. What is the agile cycle in your company? 1 week, 2 week, 5 week, 3 week in your company, guys? Agile cycle
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Yes, very good answer. 2 weeks. Okay. Every 2 weeks, the new cycle will come, or new agile, what we can say, new sprint will open, and you will do the work. Okay. Cool. Thank you. Okay. Now, what was happening to the waterfall model? Designing will come, okay, and let's take an example. 6 month of duration, okay, you get a 6 month of duration to develop one project, okay. So in the waterfall model, okay, 15 days, so we will design it, okay, we design it, okay, and out of that, coding means 4 months we will write the code, okay, 4 months we will write the code. After that, 1 month we will do the testing, and 10 days we will do the deployments. On the last day we will deploy it. Now, developer 4 months or 3 months, so they will not do anything. Okay. Last month they have written everything, or testing got little bit delayed. Tester got 15 days time only, and suddenly they're given into the deployment. If get failed, okay, we don't have any option to go back. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
So this waterfall model has been failed. Never ever speak this keyword waterfall model in any of the interview. Okay. Please never speak. Okay, cool. Now, second model came Agile. Agile came in 2020s, 2020. Okay. In around this, Agile came into the picture when companies are adopting it. Okay. Designing well, again, you will get a 6 month of time only. You will get a 6 month of same time, but you will do the design. 2 weeks you will do the coding. After that, you will do the testing in the in the same sprint, and you will deploy the things. Okay. You will do the coding testing. Again, designing will happen. Coding, testing, design, coding, testing, design, coding, testing, design, and then after 6 months only you will deploy it. But this is also look like why you are waiting for 6 months to deploy. You will develop everything and then only deploying it. Correct. This is what happening
Mhm.
into the agile. Now what will happen? Agile will continuous delivery came into the picture in 2022 onwards. Okay, companies are started adopting it, designing it, coding, testing, and deploy. Coding, testing, and deploy. Coding, testing, and deploy. Every 2 weeks we will deploy the new feature into the application. Is this happening in your company? Yes, no?
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Right? Every 2 weeks, this is happening. So you are following the agile with continuous deploy process every 2 week. Okay. You know,
Mhm.
when the DevOps agile continuous deploy with DevOps came, as soon as the code has been written, it will get deployed into the environment. No need to wait for the weekend also. Every day deployment is happening, okay, because we are not doing anything manual. Everything is happening with the help of tool. Earlier we are waiting for 6 months to deploy the things, okay. Now on the same day, as soon as developer write the code will be committed. I will show you one image. Okay. Yeah, see this image, okay. Multiple developers are there from different location. They are writing the code. They are pushing the code into with the help of git to the github. Is that okay? Yes, no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Or yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yeah.
Yes, no,
Yes,
yes, no,
sir.
yes, no, right? Multiple
Yes.
developers are there. They are sitting into different location. With the help of Git, they are pushing their code into the GitHub. Okay. Someone is
Mhm.
sitting in US, someone is sitting in India, someone is sitting in UK. Doesn't matter. Okay. Everyone's code into the centralized location. Okay. As soon as the code will come into the centralized location, Jenkins will come into the picture. He will pick the code. As soon as any new code came, it will create a build. Automatically, he will create a build. Okay. The some other tool will come to the picture like Maven. Okay, let's take an example. These are Java developer. Okay, they are Java developer, and the Maven will create a build. The build is ready. Now what will happen? You know, automatic testing will happen because Selenium will come into the picture. He will do the automated testing. Okay. As soon as the automated testing happen, if it looks good, if you want to make a containerized or whatever you want to do it, if it's a containerized application, container will be get created and deploy into the Kubernetes environment also. Automated. CI, this is on a high level, we will call as a CI/CD process. Okay, and we will
Sir,
develop
what
this
is
all
CD?
things. And what you're telling?
Sir, what is CD? Continuous delivery or continuous deployment?
Okay, good question. Okay, I will guys. I don't want to directly give this answer. Okay, but I would like to show you something. Yeah. Yeah. Because this is one of the favorite interview question asked into the interview. Okay, see this image and now ask your questions. Good. What is your question, Mabu?
Sir, what is CD? It is continuous delivery or a continuous deployment?
Okay. How many people knows the answer? How many people knows the answer for this? कितने लोगों को पता है बोलो? Guys बोलो. Bhupesh. By seeing this answer, okay, by seeing this image, it should be get clear for everyone. Guys, see, when I'm talking about continuous delivery, okay, when I'm doing talking about continuous delivery, it will be a manual approval. You will approve, then only it will get deployed into the environment. Okay, that is continuous delivery, and 90% companies are following the continuous delivery. It makes sense. Getting my point? 90%
Yes, sir.
companies are following 90% companies are following the continuous delivery approach. We don't have to go to the development. Never given in the interview, don't say you are doing the continuous deployment. Otherwise, what happen? Developer write the code or वो production में चला गया. Okay, you getting my point? In the continuous deployment, what happen? As soon as developer write the code, push into the GitHub, it reach to the deployment, it reach to the production environment. And only not even 10%, 5 to 6% companies are doing this activity. Okay, so we have to be a part of 90%. Is that okay? So we
Okay,
always
sir.
have to say that we are using the continuous delivery process. It makes sense. Mahfouz, you got the answer?
Yes, sir. Got the answer.
Right? So we always have to say the delivery keyword. Okay, we are using the continuous delivery process. Okay, and continuous delivery will happen and it will get deployed into the environment. Okay, that's it. Okay, now what will happen? Some more tool will come into the picture. Docker will come, containerization will happen, application will be deployed into the Kubernetes, and then monitoring will happen, automatic configuration and monitoring will happen, and continuous testing will happen. Okay, this all has to be done by the DevOps engineer with the help of tool. You don't have to worry about anything because how this will work or how this, because I'm going to teach to you everything one by one. Okay, you have to give me a 1 month of time to teach you all these things in a very wider way. Is that okay? Yes or no?
Sure.
Right? Okay. Now I'm coming here. Okay. We will come back here. On a high level, the what we can say DevOps look like this. Okay. We have simplified in this way at this point. Okay. We have simplified earlier. Now I'm talking about the straightforward planning. Can we take a small break, guys? What do you say? A small 2 minute break, and then we will continue into what exactly the planning is, what exactly the
Yes.
build is, what exactly the code is. Can we take a small break? Are you okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
take a small break, and then we will discuss about CI, CT, CDD, and all these things. Okay, tell me any number, two, three, four, five, for a break.
5 minutes.
3,
5 minutes.
3.
No, five is too much. Five is too
5
much. Yeah,
minutes.
9:20 again.
3,
4
Three.
3.
minutes.
Five is too big. 2 minutes 30
Three.
seconds only. Okay, 2 minutes 30 seconds. Guys, come back in 2 minutes 30 seconds, please, everyone. Okay, 2 minutes 30 seconds is a break. Please go fast and come back in 2 minutes 30 seconds. Okay, please, please, please.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm back. I hope everyone is back. Just type back. Just type back into the chat box, please, please. 10-second left. MG is back. Firoz is back. Yes, everyone. Sujo, Piyush. Guys, come up on the camera and be back. Please, please, please type back into the chat box. Cool. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Okay. Cool. Thank you. Okay. Yes. Now, I would like to discuss one by one. Okay. What is planning? What is building? What is deploy, what is operate, what is release. Okay, we will discuss one by one, and we will understand out of this many tools which are the best tools based on your votings. Is that okay? Now you have to vote that which tool you are aware about and which tool is getting used in your company, and I will give you the best tool which is getting we are going to learn. Okay, cool. So very first point is a planning. Okay, planning means, let us assume a small requirement, any of the requirement came, you will plan that how you will do it. You will track it, that how much time it will take. Okay. If it's a big project or a small project, we will visualize it that we have to complete this in 1 week or 1 year, right? And you will summarize this in some tool. So we need some tool to planning, tracking, visualize, and summarization. So guys, in your company, which tool you guys are using? Go ahead.
Jira.
Jira, I agree. Yes, Jira is one of the popular tool available into the market where 60 to 70% contribution is happening into the Jira tool. What else? Any other person? Any other tool? Asana, Trello. Yes, these are also a tool available into the market. But Jira is the popular tool where all the ticketing, tracking, backlogs are getting maintained, and you are working or not working will be defined or will be checked in the Jira at the 6 month or 1 year of duration. How many tickets you closed? Okay, this type of work will be tracked by the Jira. Jira ServiceNow is also one of the tool where 10% or 20% market is of ServiceNow, okay, but 70% is Jira. And nowadays Azure Dashboard also came into the picture, and his contribution is around 10 to 15% only. But 70% is Jira. So if anyone will ask how or where you are getting the ticket, so your answer will be Jira. Make sense? Yes or no? Clear?
Sure.
Everyone, is that okay?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
agree with my point or not? Guys, everyone agree
Yes.
with my point or not? Bolo,
Yes,
unmute
yes.
करके.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Yep.
Right?
Yes.
Sir, I agree.
Right? Because see, first question, how you get
Yes.
a requirement, where you are getting a requirement. You have to say that we are getting a requirement on the Jira, and based on the priority, you will start working. Point number one. Okay. Second tool. Okay. Planning happen, then developer start writing the code. There are so many coding tools or IDE. What is IDE? IDE क्या होता है?
Development environment. Needed development environment.
What is IDE?
Needed development
Deployment
Development
environment.
environment.
डिप्लॉयमेंट नहीं है, डिप्लॉयमेंट नहीं है.
Integrated
development
development.
Development environment.
Development environment.
Interactive development environment. Okay, means where developers write the code. Okay, where developers write the code. See, based on the coding language, they will choose the tool. Okay,
Visual Studio.
we are a DevOps engineer. हमें कोई coding नहीं आती. We don't know any coding. Okay, we are zero into the coding, but we can open any of the code. Okay, so guys, which one is the best tool who can understand all the languages code? Which one out of
VS
this?
Code.
Visual Studio.
Visual Code.
Visual
Yeah.
Studio Code. Okay, Visual Studio Code.
Yeah.
This is the tool which we DevOps engineer install in our machine. और Java code आया, Python आया, .NET आया, कुछ भी code आया, we can open this code into our machine. Is that okay? Is that okay?
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
this is your first step towards the development. Okay, install the IDE in your laptop. Let's start. Okay, VISUL Visual Studio Code download. Okay, you have to go into this link, Visual Studio Code. Okay, and download for Windows option is coming. I am giving this link. Okay, and go into this link, and everyone please install the Visual Studio Code. Click on this download for now Windows. Okay, and who want to do in front of everyone, please let me know. कौन कर रहा है ये अभी सबके सामने? 103 MB software. Download it in your machine. Download. Download it. Anyone download it? भाई इंटरनेट नहीं चल रहा क्या?
Going on, sir. Yes,
Working?
download it.
Download it. Then who will
Yes.
share the screen in front of everyone? Who will share?
Can I share?
1 second. Let me allow you. कहाँ गया भाई? सिक्योरिटी का ऑप्शन ही गायब हो गया. Mm, 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 mm. Check it. You are able to share the screen. Anyone try? Firoz try or anyone? अच्छा चलो yeah. चलो yes. Share a
Disable.
screen. Share a screen.
Okay.
Share a screen. Yeah, I enabled it. Share a screen.
Okay, sir. Just.
Any one of you guys take as
Yeah.
the opportunity. Yes, Firoz has taken the opportunity. Good, Firoz. Okay, Firoz. Now, where it has been? Yes, Firoz, you are able to share the screen. Where is downloaded? Yes, go to the download folder. Yes, open it. Open file. Very good. And guys, Windows installation is very simple. Yes, correct. Open that. आराम से slow. Okay.
Okay.
Mm, there should be one pop-up should come. Okay, for the installation.
This user installation not will run administrator if was installed. All
कुछ तो
use
विंडोज एरर है. User installer does not meet the एक बार administrator right click and administrator. Yes, click. Guys, see, as soon as the software will be downloaded, either you have to do as a administrator open, okay, and then click on accept and agreement. Click on accept and agreement. Yes, click on next. Okay, click on next. Click on next. Slow. Okay, click on next. Yes, create a desktop icon. Choose all the other option. Both option. Okay. So what will happen? You will get a open with code option on a right click as well. Okay, guys, select. Wait, slow. Select all the options. Okay, create a desktop icon, open with code action, or register code and path set. Okay, so that you don't have to set the environment as well. Click on the next. Click on the next.
install.
Click on install. Yes, and it will take 30 seconds or 1 minute of time. Okay, and the software will be installed in your machine. Okay, cool. Let's wait for a couple of seconds. Guys, everyone, please do it. Everyone. And if you are done, share the screenshot into the chat box or share the screenshot into the WhatsApp group. Please install it and share the screenshot into the WhatsApp group. Please. I am waiting for your screenshot if it's done. MG is able to install. Good. Very good. Guys, everyone, whoever has installed, send a screenshot into the WhatsApp group because some sleeping people are there who has not joined the class. Okay. So they have to realize that they missed something. Send a screenshot into the WhatsApp group. WhatsApp group, please. रुपेश यहाँ नहीं WhatsApp group में please WhatsApp group में. You are in my WhatsApp group. Please send a message into
एक्चुअली
the
सर
WhatsApp group.
थोड़ा नेटवर्क कनेक्टिविटी इशू है.
अरे यार WhatsApp तो
ओके
चलेगा.
श्योर.
मोबाइल से फोटो लेके भेज दो. Okay. Cool.
Yeah,
Arbi,
actually it
very
was
good.
taking some time. Okay.
It's okay. Good. Arbi, Devesh, good. Okay. लिखो भी यार उसके अंदर क्या कर रहे हो? Yes, finish. Good. Correct. Thank you, Subhash. Okay. Cool. Cool. Devesh is able to do it. Okay. Vinay is able to do it. Good. 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 Jatin has did it. Firoz, you are only get hanged. Rest other people start.
Actually, sir, Splunk also installed. It's very.
It's
Yeah,
okay.
just
It's okay. No
finished.
worries. No worries. No worries, guys. No worries. No
Done, sir.
worries. Okay. Please do it. Please do it. Please do it. Please do it. Okay. Firoz, what happened? Is this completed?
Yeah, we finished
It's
that.
failed for you. Okay. Maybe see you are little bit things related to your windows. Okay, some thing is missing, some component is missing. Open it new window. Yes, open in new window.
Terminal terminated.
Okay. Firoz, no worries. Let me take the screen. Okay, let me take the screen. Okay. Guys, I hope you are able to see my screen now. Okay, I hope you are able to see my screen, and I can see Rupesh is successfully able to complete. Well and good. Okay, Devesh is completely able to install it. Well and good. Okay, Milan is able to do it. Very great. Okay, and even I can see Jatin is able to do it. Great. Okay, and some more people. Yes, Rupesh has able to do it. Great. Okay, Vinay, Devesh, so many people are able to install the Visual Studio. Now, as soon as your Visual Studio will be installed in your machine, now what option you will get it? You will go into any of the code. Okay. As soon as you will go to any of the code, let's take an example. Here is Boto 3 and here is the code. Okay. Or I will go into better code. Yeah. See, 3-tier architecture. This is a code. Okay. So you will get a code from your developer on the channel. I will download the code. Okay. I will take you the real feeling of DevOps engine. Okay. VLC player. Okay. This is VLC GitHub. Okay, how the code has to be get downloaded or how the code has to be get open, which I am going to do in couple of seconds. Okay, now this is VLC player GitHub. Okay, where the code is available. Now tell me guys how to download this code. कैसे download करते हैं? Code को download. How we can download this code?
Click on
Clone the
code and
copy.
download zip.
Click
Clone
on
the copy.
code or here a download zip option. Correct?
Hmm.
Zip or clone? Guys, zip or clone? Can you write into the chat box? What is better? Clone or
Clone.
zip?
Clone.
Sir, it's clone.
Everyone is telling the answer clone.
Hmm.
Yes,
Yes,
और यदि
I
git
can see
install है
in the
तो
chat
फिर
box.
git clone सही है.
Git install. If the Git is installed, clone is the best option. Okay. Yes, guys.
If it is not
Clone is
installed, then
for
zip, you can download zip.
clone is for technical person. Zip is for management person. Okay. So you want to be into the IT, you want to be a technical person, then your option is a clone option. Okay. So what I'm doing it, I'm copying the link. Okay. I copy the URL. Okay. I went to any of the folder. No, I will create a new folder batch 39 because this is the first time we are doing for batch 39. Okay. New folder batch batch hyphen 39. Okay, and I'm just going here. And you don't have the git tool, no need to worry. In the next class we will install the git also. Okay, I'm opening the git bash. Okay, as soon as I will right click here, git bash will be this type of black terminal came. Okay, in the tomorrow class we will install, no need to worry. Okay, I'm typing the command git clone, and as soon as I will paste the URL and I will press enter. As soon as I press enter, VLC folder has been created at backend and the code is getting downloaded. Guys, getting my point? Yes, no? Yes, no,
Yes.
yes, no?
Yes.
Right? This is how
Yes.
the code has to be, this is how the code has to be get downloaded into the machine. Okay. If you don't have the Git, no need to worry. Let me download the code. And I would like to tell you the feature of GitHub. Okay. What we can say, Google code. Okay. As soon as the code will be downloaded, I will right click here. Okay. Show more option and open with code option is coming, right? As soon as I will click on open with code, this code will be open in my local machine with Visual Studio Code attached or integrated. As a developer, I can do the changes also. I'm not a developer, I'm not doing any changes, but this is a process. You got it?
You
Sure.
got it.
Getting my point? Yes, no?
Yes.
Take
Yes.
this as
Yeah.
a small homework. Okay, take this as a small homework. Download as a zip, extract it, and open with the code. Just take the feeling. Okay, you don't have to do it. Take the feeling. Is that okay? Cool. Okay. Yep. And it is downloading. Let's let it get downloaded in the backend. Okay. I'm coming back here. So guys, what I would like to say that the IDE tool for DevOps engineer is Visual Studio Code. Clear? Yes, no?
Yes, yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay. Now I'm going back here. I'm going here. Build. Let's take an example. Java. Your code is in Java language. What is your build tool? Can anyone give me the answer?
Maven.
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 Maven, yes, Maven is one of the favorite or very powerful build tool for Java based application. Okay, नहीं पता, मुझ पे भरोसा नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं. Go to the Google and type Maven. Okay, wherever you are feeling that you don't have trust on Vikas, You can go to Google and type Maven. Okay. Maven is a build automation tool. Maven is a build automation tool. What is written? Maven is a build automation tool primarily for Java projects. Got it? Yes, no?
Yes.
Guys,
Yep.
my definition and Google definitions are 100% same. Okay. Or whatever the best definition is required, I will teach that to you. Okay. Maven is a build automation tool primarily used for Java-based projects or applications. Cool. And चलो Java तो Maven हो गया. Any other for Python? What is the build tool for Python? Python का build tool. Answer. Piyush, answer. Arbi, Rupesh, Firoz,
Auto build.
Yamini, what you're telling?
Uh, it doesn't need any tool to build.
Correct. It doesn't required. Okay. It doesn't change into the class files, so it doesn't require any build tool. Integrated with Java software, integrated with Python software also, you can able to build it. You don't require any extra software. Okay, cool. So for Python doesn't require. We will discuss for C, C++, Java also, but not today. If I will discuss everything, you will get confused. Agree? Yes, no. Right. So which
Yeah.
is the best build tool we are going to use in our application is a Maven. I am going to teach you Maven also. Okay. Cool. Testing. Any test engineer here? Which tool you are using, guys? Give me the answer. Test engineers, give me the answer. Which testing tool you are using?
JUnit.
Which tool?
JUnit. So JUnit.
भाई अच्छे से बोलो यार. Better. Speak properly. Speak properly. Which tool? Which testing tool?
JUnit.
I'm not able to understand. I'm not able to understand. Can you write into the chat box? Sanjay. Guys,
JUnit.
others.
Yes.
Okay, JUnit, JMeter, or Selenium. Guys, these are the popular tool available into the market. What is the difference between Selenium and JMeter? One line definition I need. I need a one line definition or one line difference. Fast.
Automation.
No one knows. Piyush, bolo, Arbi. Experienced person. What happened to your experience?
Oh, I don't have
In the
experience in
third
the
class, your
development side.
experience gone. See, in the third class, all the experienced people are silent. But what happened after 55 days? Arbi is laughing. Chalo, the
Sir, I'm in a
difference is, guys, very.
mhm.
Say you are not a tester, right?
Yeah,
Arre
I'm in
bhai,
an architect side.
I agree, but basic idea, just basic idea, okay? Because we are going to ask 40, 50 LPA package, correct? Yes or no? So one line definition, so we can able to speak, right? Suhas has given already a good answer. JMeter is a performance testing tool, okay? If you want to do the performance testing, JMeter can do it. If you want to do the web testing, web testing, then Selenium will come. Or if you want to do the performance testing, then JMeter will come. You will able to remember, guys, now?
Yes, yeah.
Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right? JMeter, Apache JMeter is a performance testing tool and Selenium is a web testing tool. That's it. Remember it. Okay, ये remember करना है. Okay, forget about FTM. कोई मतलब का नहीं है. JUnit, QUnit नहीं. JUnit still 20%, 30% companies are using it. Okay, but the market is of Apache, JMeter and Selenium. Cool. Now I'm coming here for release. Primarily, we are using the Jenkins for most of the release. Around 80% deployments or releases happen with the help of Jenkins. Got it? So we have to remember only one tool, Jenkins. There are so many other tools are also available into market. No need to focus, no need to waste your time. Okay. Starway CI, no. Codeship, no. Okay. 10% contribution is there. GitLab is coming into the
GitLab.
picture, but it is not free. It is not free. When I'm talking about DevOps tools, it should be free. It should be open source. Okay. GitLab is not coming as a complete free. Some part is chargeable. So this is one of the disadvantage is not coming into the complete DevOps category. Okay. But yeah, it is a DevOps tool. I agree. But still the market is of Jenkins. So we have to remember for the Jenkins primarily. Make sense? If it's a Kubernetes environment, Helm. I'm going to teach Jenkins and Helm both the things. Cool? Clear? Cool. Now I am coming into the deploy part. Okay. Primarily, deployment will happen with the help of again Jenkins. Okay. If infrastructure creation with the help of Terraform, in which environment? Kubernetes or Docker environment, or the cloud is Amazon or Google Cloud. These are the famous tools available for the deployment purpose. Jenkins for application deployment, infra, Terraform. There's two things again. Jenkins for application, infra for Terraform. Okay. On the Kubernetes with the help of Docker, okay, into the AWS or GCP cloud. Chef is outdated, Puppet is outdated. Okay, Ansible is also has the requirement, but I'm not speaking at this point. I don't want you confused. So I'm talking about Terraform and Jenkins only. Is that okay? Clear,
Yes,
everyone?
sure.
Are you agree with my point or not? कोई है जो unagree है मेरे साथ?
Yes, sir. Agree.
Agree,
Yes,
everyone?
sir.
Can I get agree into the chat box? Yamini, everyone, please agree. Cool. Thank you, Raj. Thanks, Milan. Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot. Yep. Okay. Cool. Now these are the deployment tools. Okay. Some operation activities tools are also available. Now the Ansible will come into the picture. Okay. Operation activities automation will be taken care by Ansible. Can anyone tell me one line definition for Ansible? What is Ansible? What is Ansible? One line definition.
It's a configuration management tool.
कॉन्फ़िगरेशन मैनेजमेंट टूल राइट कॉन्फ़िगरेशन किसकी करते हैं हम लोग ऑपरेशन एक्टिव कॉन्फ़िगरेशन एक्टिविटी इज ए ऑपरेशन एक्टिविटी तो इसे ऑपरेशन कैटेगरी टूल शेफ इज अगेन आउटडेटेड यस कहां कॉन्फ़िगरेशन करोगे क्लाउड पर राइट और एप्लीकेशन में ओके पपेट एंड शेफ इज आउटडेटेड एट दिस पॉइंट वी डोंट हैव टू रिमेंबर ओके कूल नाउ again for the monitoring purpose yes which tool you are using in your company guys speak up or write it into chat box which monitoring tool you are using in your company
Nagios.
Nagios,
One
okay.
of the
Prometheus.
application we use. Nagios.
Nagios.
Prometheus
Nagios is
Grafana.
again a outdated tool. Okay, failed. Okay. Nagios 5 years back, it was a very popular tool, but in 2025, no. Rupesh, yes, you are correct answer, but it is outdated now. What else?
Now Grafana and Prometheus.
Prometheus.
Grafana and Prometheus. If your application is Kubernetes environment, this is the best option. Okay, what else? Sijo,
Splunk
speak
for
up.
log.
Yamini.
Yeah,
Splunk
Splunk.
for
Okay,
log.
Prometheus.
Splunk
Prometheus.
is also one of the popular tool. Okay, which for the logging purpose it is getting used. Okay, anything else? Guys, tell me your real-time answer in your company. Subhash is telling Dynatrace. Yes, Dynatrace is also one of the popular tool. Okay,
We'll use
Dynatrace.
Prometheus
Yes,
Grafana for real time.
you using Prometheus Grafana. Very good. Okay, I will also teach the same thing. What else, guys? What else? Anyone else? Any other tool you are using in your company? No? Great. Okay. Then I can say Nagios is a little bit outdated. Splunk is for the logging purpose, very good tool. For cloud monitoring, if you are primarily in AWS cloud, then CloudWatch is one of the best option. Okay. If you are into the Kubernetes environment, Grafana and Prometheus is in the best option. So I will teach you Prometheus, Grafana, Splunk, and CloudWatch, all the three tools. Okay. Cool. Now, guys, I'm going back here. I'm going back here. Okay. If some, this is just a quick revision. Okay, for planning purpose, which tool you are using in your company, or which tool you have to
Jira.
use in your company?
Jira.
Jira.
Okay,
Jira.
if
Jira.
anyone
Jira.
asks you to the interview,
Jira.
the
Jira.
answer will be Jira now. Okay, second tool, as a DevOps engineer or as a developer, which coding tool you are using or you have to
VS
use
Code.
it?
VS
Visual
Code.
Visual Studio
Visual
Code.
Studio Code.
Studio Code.
Visual Studio Code. Okay. If it's a Java code, Python code, .NET code, Go code, Alibaba code, any code. Okay. We will open it to the Visual Studio. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Now, another is building tool. If it's a Java based application, which tool?
Maven.
Maven.
When
Maven.
Maven.
Maven
Okay.
great.
Maven is a tool
Okay.
for the Java based applications. Okay. And if it's a Python based application, then
Don't
There is
no
no
tool is
No,
required.
no,
Only
no,
it's available.
not required.
okay, we can directly run it. It will work. Okay. Guys, is that clear till now? Is that clear,
Yeah.
everyone?
yes.
Sure.
Right?
Yeah.
हमें पढ़ना कौन सा which tool we have to learn for the next 3 months we have to focus correct now you will not waste your time in Gradle you will not waste your time in Ant you will not waste your time in Eclipse you will not waste your time right I'm saving your time what we have to do it is that okay
Correct.
Correct, because I realized that some student wasting the time in so many different places. ये इतना नहीं पढ़ सकते. Practically we can't do all these things, right? Don't waste your time. Be on a focus part, right? Are you agree?
Sure.
Yes.
Right? Cool. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Okay, thanks a lot. Now, again, for testing, which tool you will use? Which tools are getting used popularly?
JMeter, Selenium,
Selenium.
Jenkins.
Jmeter and Selenium.
Selenium, and JBeter. Okay, Selenium for what purpose?
Web
Web
with
application.
Automation.
Web.
Web application.
Web testing. Okay, web testing and automation. Okay. JMeter for what? What is the purpose of JMeter?
Performance testing.
Performance testing.
थोड़ा अच्छे से बोलो यार. Performance testing. Okay.
Performance testing.
Cool. Thank you. Okay. And for release purpose, what is the primary tool available into the market?
Jenkins.
Jenkins. Okay. Cool. And for Kubernetes environment, what is the release tool? भाई नीचे लिखा तो है Helm.
Kubernetes ही tool है sir.
Helm.
Kubernetes, for Kubernetes environment, Helm is a tool. Okay, cool. Now for deploy purpose,
Ansible.
Jenkins, Kubernetes.
Docker Kubernetes.
नहीं, अच्छे से आंसर दो guys, अच्छे से आंसर दो. Any one of you, tell me properly for deploying which tool will help or in which variety. थोड़ा सा अच्छे से आंसर
Jenkins.
चाहिए.
Jenkins.
हाँ, Jenkins for
Docker.
Yamini, देखो, think it that you are sitting into the interview, guys. Think it that you are going to give the answer into the interview. Proper answer I need.
So Jenkins for
Jenkins
Kubernetes
for
and
application.
Terraform
Jenkins
for
for
cloud.
application development. Or Terraform for infrastructure.
Correct. Jenkins for application deployment, Terraform for infrastructure development. Guys, you are getting my point? Jenkins for application deployment, Terraform for infrastructure deployment. Okay, or deployment can happen into the Kubernetes with the help of Docker or with the on the cloud as well. Now repeat it. Firoz, repeat again, please. क्या बोला मैंने?
Jenkins मतलब application environment development.
Correct.
Application for development and Terraform for infrastructure development.
Correct. Correct. Okay. On the Kubernetes with the help of Docker or this cloud we will going to use. Okay. Now you don't know Terraform, Docker. No need to worry. But tool का नाम तो remember कर सकते हो. Yes or no? Are you agree?
Yes.
Guys, are you agree? At this point, you don't know what is Ansible, what is. भाई नाम तो याद कर लो. Right? At this point, just remember the name. Okay? Because I am going to teach you all these things. Ansible for operation activities. Okay. Cool. Now again, monitoring. Nagios is outdated. We don't have to focus. Okay. In your company, it is getting used. It's okay. You can say that, but we don't have to learn it. Splunk, Grafana, Prometheus, and Amazon CloudWatch is the best option. Okay. Cool. And guys, I hope this is very clear. How was the session? Today's session? You are able to understand? You get a wider picture about it? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
sir.
Yeah.
How was the today's session, guys? How was the today's session? कैसा था आज का session?
It's amazing.
अरे digestible, awesome, समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? Yes, no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Can I
sir.
write? Can you write into the WhatsApp group? Can you write into the WhatsApp group? Can you write into the WhatsApp group, please? One line. How was the session? Please. How was the session? Okay. Can you write it? Yes. Please, please, everywhere, wherever you are, just write it. Okay. And this is the official WhatsApp group. Cool. Okay. Thank you. Thanks to Mahul. Okay. Thank you, Imam. Thank you, Piyush. Okay. Please, 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 everyone, please write it. Please write it. Thank you, Yamini. Okay. Please, 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 everyone, guys, everyone write it. Everyone, please, 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 please. Okay. Please, please, please. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Guys, any question, feel free to ask or be ready with your question. I would like to take all your questions, whatever you have in your mind. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks, Gordon. Thanks, Subhash. Okay. Devesh to fully understandable. Thank you, Devesh. Okay. Productive. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, cool. Now, guys, what we are going to do it. Still in the today's session, we missed some part, very minor part. Okay. 6 C's process, which I will explain you tomorrow. Okay. And as well as we missed one more thing, 6 C's process. or yeah, the how to become means what are things you have to know for the DevOps engineer or tasks of DevOps engineer. I need a 15 more minute time in the tomorrow session to explain you this. Is that okay?
Sure.
Or
Yes,
yes,
sir.
no?
Yes,
Sure.
sir.
Yes.
Yes.
And next
Sure.
is next means in the tomorrow class we are going to start the Linux for DevOps. Okay, means if you will come to the syllabus or tracking sheet, okay, as soon as you will come to this tracking sheet today, the day 3, we are discussing primarily about the primarily discussing about the DevOps. Okay, 6 is still pending, which I am making it white only, and this part I am making it green. Okay, and out of that, one of the thing is also pending. Roles and responsibility. This is also pending. Okay, so I'm making it red. Okay, जो नहीं पढ़ाया, this is into the red or white only. Is that okay? Yes, no, clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
Got it.
I will take 15
Yes.
minute extra in the tomorrow class or 10 minute extra. Okay, and we will do this. And tomorrow we are going to start the Linux as well. I hope you are ready and excited. Yes, no.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Go
sir.
ahead, tell
Yes,
me.
of course, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
चलो, one line answer. What is Linux? Can anyone give me the answer? What is Linux? होता क्या?
Operating system.
It's operating
Linux
system.
is
You
It's
open
a
know,
source
kernel.
Linux
operating
is
It
system.
is
kernel.
open source and free to
It's
use.
a kernel.
Kernel है, sir.
it's a kernel. Okay, Linux
Yeah.
is open source kernel. We can call it an operating system also, but don't call it. So I need your next 5 days for the Linux. Okay, we will start from basics. Okay, and tomorrow we are going to create a Google Cloud account also. Okay, so be ready with your credit card. Okay, credit card or debit card or whatever the card you want to use it. In the tomorrow class itself, we will create a Google Cloud account so that we can practice on the Google Cloud itself from the day 1 of the Linux. Is that okay? Means practical
Okay.
Okay, sir.
sessions are
Okay, sir.
going to be start. Practical sessions are going to be start from tomorrow. So be available with your card. Okay, then we will go into the advanced command, we will go into the troubleshooting and interview related perspective, and 100 plus commands you have to understand with lot of technical knowledge. Okay, means from tomorrow onwards your non-technical things will become a technical things. Is that okay? Clear?
Yes,
Ready?
sir.
So
Yes,
if
sir.
you want to
Yes,
explore,
sir.
matlab why I'm telling this, if you want to explore little bit about Linux also, you can explore by today. Okay, that's why I just giving a little bit gimbal. Okay, and kya padenge? It is already mentioned into this tracking sheet. If anyone don't have this, let me give you this into the chat box as well. Clear? Guys, now tell me, kitna percent digest to आज की class? How much percent you are able to digest? Tell me. बोलो. And question and answer. Guys, how was the session? बोलो, कैसा लगा आज का session? मजा आया कि नहीं आया?
मजा आया, sir.
काफी अच्छा लगा
मजा आया।
Everyone? Everyone? अरे yes, no यार.
Shaka, sir.
नहीं आया तो
Yes,
बोल
sir.
दो. If you are not able to
Yes,
understand,
sir.
tell me. Okay, chalo, guys, go ahead. Question and
Yes, sir.
answer, please. Question and answer. Go ahead. Quick question? Any question? Any open question?
So why we use a Sonar Cube in DevOps life cycle?
See, Sonar
Sonar
Cube
Cube.
is one of the what we can say that one of the vulnerability check or code verification or code checking tool. Okay, so whatever developer is writing, sometimes developer did lot of mistakes. Means he copied the code. Okay, he has repeated the code multiple times. Okay, so this type of checks, or he put the password, he put the secrets into the code. So there are some gets, it will get checked with the help of Sonar Cube tool. So this is again one of the tool available into the market. Okay, for code testing. Okay, we can check the code quality with the help of SonarQube. Okay, and if you required, I can teach that also, because in our current project also we are using it. So I will teach that also. Okay, not a big deal. Cool. Next question.
Sir, actually, I have one question. Like, Git
Uh-huh.
and GitHub, it is same or it is different? Because sometimes, we call Git and GitHub. So that's why I'm little bit confused. Like, is it same or different?
Okay. See, Git has to be installed into the local machine. Okay, and GitHub has to be available as a repo into the web. Okay, Git को हम लोग local machine में install करेंगे और Git से हम code push करेंगे GitHub पे. So these are the
Okay.
two different tool, but इनके combination, the combination is required. Okay, with the combination only it will work. Both the things are combined and then only work. Okay, so
Okay.
Git has to be installed into the local machine, and GitHub is a repo where the code has been saved. Okay,
Got it, sir.
cool.
Thank
I
you.
will teach. No worries.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Next question. Any other question?
Can you
Okay.
hear me,
If
sir?
nothing, हाँ विनय
Yeah,
बोलो
I
क्या
have
क्वेश्चन है?
you told about waterfall and agile methodology previously. It is same as
So
monolithic and microservices
नहीं
approach.
नहीं वो अलग है, वो तो डिप्लॉयमेंट प्रोसेस है। ये तो अभी हम लोग मतलब हाउ टू टेक द प्रोजेक्ट। ओके, वाटरफॉल एंड अजाइल हाउ टू टेक द प्रोजेक्ट वो वाला प्रोसेस है। मोनोलिथिक तो एप्लीकेशन डिप्लॉयमेंट प्रोसेस है, वो बिल्कुल अलग है। ओके, डोंट
अलग
कंपेयर इट।
ठीक है,
Okay,
थैंक यू।
waterfall is outdated. It's a fail approach. 5 years back, it get failed, so you don't have to worry. In the waterfall, everything we take as a see. अगर if I'm planning to teach everything in one day, वो हो गया waterfall model.
Okay,
Agree?
yes,
Right? कि विकास,
thank
you have a target one day, teach everything. Okay, full DevOps one day. नहीं, वो नहीं हो पाएगा. Okay, तो it's a waterfall model. Okay, तो नहीं पर थोड़ा example ज्यादा satisfied नहीं है, but it kind of thing. Okay, everything as a one shot you want to do it. Okay, but if I will tell you, नहीं चलो ये better example है. 30 practicals you have to do in one day.
okay.
Okay, that is waterfall model. Okay, and my model is agile model, or agile will continuous every day one practical. Which one is better?
Every day one practical.
Every day one practical.
Correct. So yes, this is called agile will continuous. So it's just one of the examples. Same time the requirement came, full developer will write the code, okay, and then you have to do it. Okay, पूरा पढ़ो एक साल और final exam होगा last में मार्च में. Better यार रोज exam ले लो छोटा छोटा. Right?
That's right.
That thing. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Arbi, what happened? All good?
Yeah, all good, all good. Okay.
Cool, cool. Guys, go ahead. Any other question, or we can wind up this session? Recording will be available for you already into the YouTube, but in the LMS system in the next 20 minutes. Okay. This PPT will also be available for you in the next 5 minutes in your LMS system. Okay. And thanks a lot.
Because one
Okay.
more thing,
Yep.
because actually I have not attended on Saturday and Sunday. You have kept on 2 sessions, right?
That are free sessions. Okay. That are workshop, weekend workshops. Okay. We created a resume also in the weekend itself. Okay, so if you need a recording, I will give the recordings also. Okay, but by the way, it's already available in the LMS system, so I will give you the direct links. Okay,
Okay, fine. Thank you.
I will send into the WhatsApp group. Okay, cool. Okay, guys, thanks a lot. Signing off for today. Can I get a final feedback that how was the today's session? Please, if you have not written it, if you have not written it, if you have not written, can you write a final feedback? Okay, that how was the today's session? And signing off for today. मिलते हैं रात को 8 बजे. Again, we will meet it again 8 p.m. for the Q&A session. Okay, if you have still any question came in your mind, we will meet it again at 8 p.m. IST. The details will be available in the WhatsApp group. And signing off for today. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank
Bye-bye,
you, sir.
guys. And
Bye bye, sir.
Thank you,
happy
sir.
working day. Okay, this
Thank
is
you.
Monday.